your teacher told me that you have done the properties of parallelograms.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done the properties of parallelogram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am told me to start with exercise 3.3. Questions based on parallelogram. Questions based on parallelogram. She told me to start with that. Is that okay, fine with you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me just let everybody come. Then I'll start. I'll be doing figure questions first. Questions in exercise, whatever are the figure questions, I will start with those. Then we will come to the word problems. We'll do figure questions first, where we have to apply the properties of parallelogram. Right now, let me just tell you about the children who are not here. Correct me if I am wrong. Bhuvika is not here. Harshita is not here. Ishanya is not here. Jayant to aata hi nahi. Then Manya is not here. Panav is not here. Pratyaksh is not here. And Shreya Pramanik. That's all. I hope I have not, the names I have taken out, nobody's here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think I should start my class then. I can see 23 children. 23 children. Children, I'll be changing the view of my laptop so that you all can see the board. I'll be explaining you questions on the board. Please put your videos on. Put your videos on.
Okay, ma'am.
I want to see you people writing. Hello Angel, hello Saurabh, hello Rudra, hello Arman, hello Jigyasa, hello Raghav, Shreya. How are you all? How are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Now I feel I've seen my children. Ishanya is joining now. Ishanya. I'll change the view of my laptop just a second, so that you are able to see the board. Okay, Panav is also entering. Panav. Children, are you able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will erase the board. Pratyaksh has joined right now. Pratyaksh has joined. You can see till here. Okay, we'll start with question number 2. If I would have, I forgot to tell you to draw the figures before the class, doesn't matter. We'll draw the figures right side by side. Exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. Question number 2. Please draw the figure.
Ma'am, this is 3.3.
Yes. Your ma'am told you to start from here only. See, when I ask you, please raise your hand, then only I'll give chance to others. Bhuvika is also entering right now. Yes, children. Let me see. Rudra, any idea which property should be used here? Property of which property?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, opposite angles are equal. So, ma'am, 100 is equal to y.
Parallelogram are equal. So we will write like this: y is equal to 100 degree, and the reason is opposite angles
AD is equal to DC.
of parallelogram are equal. So I got y.
Ma'am, after that, x is equals to 8.
Rudra, wait. Mute yourself. Let me ask somebody else. Manit.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now how should I move next?
X equal to 80 because the sum of the adjacent angle is 180.
Very good. Sum of the adjacent angles of parallelogram is 180. So x plus 100 is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is sum of adjacent angles. Sum of adjacent angles of parallelogram is 180 degrees. So we got x as 80 degree. We got this also. Now again, the z is opposite of x. Z is opposite of x. We can again apply z is equal to x. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we can say z is also equal to 80 degrees. Z is also equal to 80 degrees. So we have found y, we have found x, we have found z. This is what we had to find. Any query, if anybody has, he or she is ready to ask, raise your hand, I'll solve your query. Raise your hand, I will solve your query. Please note down.
No, ma'am.
Note down, as I always say in math class, a child cannot sit idle at all. Navya, are you writing? Saurabh, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Himang, समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Angel,
Yes, ma'am.
if anybody is there, Jayesh. Jayesh, are you there? You have to reply.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If anybody has any query, he or she is ready to, is allowed to raise his hand. I'll ask the query. I'll try to solve the query. If you have done this, I'll go for the next problem. Those who have done, they will draw the next figure. Those who have done, they will draw the next figure. I can see only 3-4 children who are absent. I'll send the work in Google Classroom. They'll be able to copy from there. Now I'm doing second part.
Please don't erase my name.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Jigyasa.
Speak loudly, please. Who is this?
Ma'am, Jigyasa.
जिज्ञासा जल्दी करो बेटा. Those who have done, they will copy the next figure, second figure. Those who have done, they will start drawing the next figure. Manit, have you done, beta? Manit, have you done? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Jigyasa, can I erase now?
Yes, Pop.
Now look here. In second part, how should I start? Somebody will guide me. Otherwise, I'll start. Wait.
Ma'am, x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree.
Very good. X plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. And the reason is
Ma'am, and the value of y is 130. 130
sum
degree.
of adjacent angles. Sum of adjacent angles of parallelogram is. Beta,
Are
reason is
supplementary.
very important.
And
You
the
all-
answer is 130 for all the angles.
Wait. Reason is very important. Even if you know the answers, reason is very important. Please write the reason what ma'am is writing. Do not be lazy in writing the reasons. You will lose your marks. So x is equal to 130 degree we got. Next is y is equal to x. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we got y also as 130 degree. We got y as 130 degree.
Corresponding angle.
Wait. Then x and z. X and
is
z
equal
also have some relation. These two angles, these two are parallel lines, and this is a transversal. So we can say x and z are corresponding angles.
Yes. Z is equal to
x.
x
And ma'am-
is equal to 130 degree.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can do like this. Ma'am, if we take the 50 and because 50 and z are linear pairs, so ma'am we can find by this also.
We can do that way also.
linear
We have
pair
to
also.
suppose this angle by some name, find out this one is same, and by linear pair you can do. But I find this is more interesting, so I chose this method. So z is equal to 130 degree. So you would learn 3 property we have applied. That's why I have used this property. 3 properties we have used here. 3 properties we have used here. Children, note down, please. Please understand first, then note down. I'm not in a hurry to raise. If you say wait, I will wait. See, to do these questions, it is very important to know thorough with the properties. To do these questions, it's very important to be thorough with the properties. Is there anybody in the class who have not understood? If there is, please raise your hand. I'll be able to solve. I'll try to solve your query at my best. Cherish, have you understood, beta? Cherish.
Yes, ma'am.
Neeral. Neeral,
Yes, ma'am.
have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Musa, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Manvi, Anvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Ahi,
Yes, ma'am.
speak loudly, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Ran, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Shreya Singhal, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Can I move to the next question? You can show it by thumb. That we can move to the next question. Yes. I am
Ma'am,
moving to the
please
next
wait 1
question.
minute.
I am moving to the next question. Jigyasa, have you copied? Jigyasa, have you
Yes, ma'am.
copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now we will do third part. नेक्स्ट टाइम बेटा नेक्स्ट टाइम आने से पहले मैम आपको बता देंगी कौन कौन से फिगर्स ड्रॉ करके ले आना आप वी विल बी एबल टू सेव आवर टाइम ओके
Ma'am, x is equal to 90 degree.
वेरी गुड x इज इक्वल टू
Yes,
रीजन
ma'am.
व्हाट इज द
The
रीजन
diagonals of the
Because we-
parallelogram cut as 90
Vertically
degrees.
opposite angles.
Vertically.
Z equal to 60 degree.
vertically opposite angle
Angles.
then how should we proceed next
Y plus x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree.
everybody has to answer please raise your hand not only Navya everybody will answer by angle sum property of triangle
Ma'am, angle sum property.
yes by angle sum property of triangle x plus y plus 30 degrees equal to 180 degrees
मैम इसके बीच में एक और भी तो स्टेटमेंट आएगी
बोलो
y
क्या
plus
है?
x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree.
यही तो
मैंने ये तो लिखा है
by
ये तो
ASP
लिखा है।
of triangle x plus y plus 30 degrees equal to 180 degree वही तो लिखा है so what is the value of y you got 60
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
very good
Ma'am, Z will be 60 as alternative angles.
which alternate I have you have to okay
Alternative interior angles.
Z हो गया फिर
These
60.
two- these two parallel lines how come they are alternate somebody has to tell me how they are alternate
Corresponding angles.
which two parallel lines are talking about these suppose these two are parallel lines and this is a transversal
Ma'am, alternative interior angles.
alternate
Yes, ma'am.
Alternative exterior angles. Interior angles.
anything easier than this easier than this something easier okay then it's fine we'll use alternate interior angles so z is all equal to y z is equal to y write down z is equal to y alternate angles z is equal to y alternate angles z is also 60 degrees z
Yes.
is equal to y alternate angles
Alternate. Yes, ma'am.
alternate interior angles you can write so z is equal to 60 degrees so we are able to find x y and z we are able to find x y and z If you have copied, children, note it down. Please show it my thumb. If you have noted down. Jigyasa, Jayesh.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा.
ma'am, can you enable the chat only for you so that we can send you the answers? Ma'am, फिर हमें बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा.
No. Chat box I don't allow. Chat is not allowed. You have to speak. Chat box I deliberately I don't keep it on. Chat box deliberately I don't keep it on. I keep it on only on the day when we have test. I want an interactive session. What's the problem in speaking? Saurabh is so
Okay, ma'am.
सौरभ को इतना शौक है बात करने का. हाँ जी मानिक बोलो.
मैम जो x इक्वल टू 90 है इसका ये भी तो रीजन हो सकता है कि पैरेललोग्राम की सारी एंगल्स 90 डिग्री पे कट करते हैं.
No. ये पैरेललोग्राम इस एंगल्स 90 डिग्री पे कट करते हैं ऐसा नहीं होता. कहाँ होता है ऐसे? डायगोनल्स नहीं होता. रोम्बस में होता है लेकिन रोम्बस का नहीं दिया हुआ ना. मैं कि रोम्बस है. रोम्बस में होता है पर रोम्बस का it is not being given that all the four sides are equal. Okay? Diagonals don't bisect at 90 degrees. If you have done this, let me do something else. Let me do the next. Some other questions. Fourth and fifth part, I find them easy. You will be able to do in homework. Question number 2, fourth and fifth, you'll be able to do in homework. I'll tell you. Right now, I'm in the part of Google Classroom. Either I'll post in Google Classroom or I'll inform your teacher. She'll post in Google Classroom. I'll post the classwork also and homework also.
Okay.
Okay, children. Now after this, question number 7 करेंगे बेटा पहले. Question number 7 का figure draw करो. Question number 7. If you have the book, otherwise I will draw. I will read out the question. The adjacent figure HOPE, HOPE, is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures X, Y, and Z. State the properties you use to find them. Can I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Jigyasa, have you copied? Can I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll do 7th part. Draw the figure with me, beta. The children, do you remember in one of the part earlier we used that this angle whole EHO and PO, whatever name we name here. These two are corresponding angles. These two are corresponding angles. 40 degree plus Z. 40 degree plus Z is equal to 70 degree corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Using this, can I find the value of Z? Z comes out 30 degree. Z comes out 30 degree that way. सौरभ बनवर. Yes, सौरभ बोलो. सौरभ बोलो.
मैम यही समझ में नहीं आया मैम.
This angle EHO, whole angle, this one. हमने पहले क्वेश्चन में किया है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में, सेकंड पार्ट में. This whole angle and this angle, these two are parallel lines. This is a transversal, so we can say this angle whole and this 70. They are corresponding angles. That's why they are equal. So total 40 plus Z or 70. ये दोनों बराबर हो गए. They become equal. So we got Z as 30. One more thing we will do. We will also take this angle by linear pair. Suppose I name it as T. Suppose I name it as T. So I can write T plus 70 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair. Linear pair. So I get T as 110 degree. I get T as 110 degree. Now by angle sum property, if I know Z and T, can I find Y? Can I find Y? By angle sum property of triangle HOP. Z plus T plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Z plus T, this is plus, Z plus T plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Now Z I found 30.
Ma'am,
And
so
T
y equal to 40 degree.
whatever, just find out. Everybody should solve. So we got Y as 40 degrees.
40 degree.
मैम
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम वह ऑल्टरनेट एंगल से भी निकल सकते हैं ना?
Alternate कौन से एंगल तो alternate?
मैम y और 40.
Y or 40 alternate भी है. Yes, we can find that first. See, in these questions we can apply. We have to just think which property to use. Sometimes the same value, same angle can be found with using different property also. Now, once we have found Y, we have found Z, we have found T.
30
T and
degree.
X are opposite angles. T and X are opposite angles of parallelogram. T and X are opposite angles of parallelogram. So I can write, I'm writing here only, there is less space. X is equal to T, opposite angles. Therefore, X is equal to
110 degree.
110. So we have this way calculated X also, Z also, and Y also. This was our question. X, Y, and Z were to be found. X, Y, and Z were to be found. The children, if you have done, I'll have to change the view of the laptop. I need to ask something from you people. Once you are done, please show it by thumb that you have done. Very good. Let everybody do. Let everybody complete. सौम्या आपसे नहीं पूछा मैंने कुछ भी आज. आपको समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvraj Solanki, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Chahed, have you understood?
हाँ मैम, ये जो t की वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं हम, इसको लीनियर पेयर से ही करना होगा ना मैम?
हाँ जी, t की वैल्यू तो लीनियर पेयर से निकल सकती है. t की वैल्यू हमने x के लिए निकाली है, so that we can find x.
Okay मैम, okay.
Yuvraj Bahut, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Pratyaksh, समझ आया?
Ma'am, is my voice coming? Ma'am,
Speak loudly, please. Speak loudly.
I am audible? No.
थोड़ा तेज बोलो बेटा.
He is
Ma'am, I
saying
have
that,
understood.
is he audible?
No, he is not audible. He has to speak little louder.
Ma'am, I have understood.
Okay, beta, very good. I can see there are 2-3 minutes left. I just have to turn the view of my laptop. If you permit me, I want to turn the view. Can I turn the view of my laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Now, your homework is, you will be doing question number 2, 4th and 5th part. And before coming to for the next class, question number 8, all the 3 figures to be drawn. Question number 10, 11 and 12. Draw the figures so that we save time in class. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Beforehand, like we were doing earlier also, draw the figure, leave some space, 4 5 lines, we'll solve that. It will help you to do the work. Is there anybody right now has any problem, whatever I taught you today? किसी को कुछ भी दिक्कत है?
मैं एक बार क्वेश्चंस फिर से बता दो.
हाँ जी बेटा, पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का 4th और 5th होमवर्क, 4th और 5th पूरा अपने आप करना है आपको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का होमवर्क करना है 4th और 5th. और 8th क्वेश्चन के 3 फिगर्स 10th के 11th के 12th के फिगर्स से ड्रॉ करने हैं. 8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th मैम लेकिन करवाएंगी क्लास में आपको. I will do in the class, but you'll bring the work, drawn figures you will bring in the class so that it will save your time in drawing in the class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Did you like the class?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you all satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
God bless
Yes,
my children. Take care. Finish your work in time. Goodbye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Beta. God bless you all.